Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm Corrupted Pigeon. Welcome back to another video. Clash Corrupted Pigeon. In today's video, we're going to be figuring out how to use dragons as Town Hall 8. So in case you don't know, Town Hall 8, pretty good for a bunch of different things. Hog riders, all sorts of stuff. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use dragons and attacks. Let's go ahead and find us an attack. And I'll be back whenever I find one. Guys, we are back. We found our base that we're going to attack. So what we want to do here is drop a dragon in the dragon so they can start the funnel up towards the top of the base. They're going to get up there and they're just going to pipe around. We're able to get inside the wizard, get over to where this wizard tower is, bust inside here. Something you'd never want to do with dragons is you don't want to attack where the air defense is. If this was a Town Hall 9, I'll probably have to get on my Town Hall 9 and show you guys a attack for that as well in this video. You just don't want to really get to where the air sweeper is, because if your dragons are able to funnel inside the base and get the value they need, these things or dragons can be very, very lethal. We're going to go ahead and drop the dragons up towards the top, and come the clan castle troop as well. We're going to go ahead and rage up another dragon or spell. They're going to push inside the base here. There's a bunch of stuff. Dragon's worst enemy is air sweepers and air defenses. This isn't... yeah, that's stuff you gotta watch out for. That and splash damage unit and bombs. Well, now that we got all the air targeting stuff, air defenses out, we gotta take down the Tesla. We got rid of the air sweeper. We now pretty much just gotta get rid of the wizard tower and the archer towers, and we should be able to triple this. There's another seeking air mine, but that's alright. We still have our strong buff dragon. It's probably not going to be a 3-star because we still got to get these out on the side. But it's just an example of mainly what attacking with dragons like at Town Hall 8. Mass dragons and hog riders are pretty much the way they go. But I'll have to make a different video on hog riders for Town Hall 8 at a different time. But for now, we're just going to watch the dragons clean up. Dragons are going to sit down here. They take out the last air target. So now they're just going to go around and pretty much clean up. We still have our poisons here. We're going to save those so we don't have to brew anymore. Dragons are going to do their thing and clean that up. All the dragons are coming down towards this one. It would be a good thing. It would be a good idea if they split. This dragon right here. This dragon right here goes over there. There we go. That's what we need right here. We need these dragons to split. If it's not a 90, if it's not a 100%, no big deal. I'm just pretty much showing you guys what it's like using dragons down here. At Town Hall 8, it's one of the more easier strategies. Whenever we get into the next battle, I'll show you some more like tips and tricks about it. But mainly for this one, whenever we attacked over towards here, we want to avoid the air sweeper. Try and funnel out a little spot for the dragons to get inside the base and take down the air sweeper and air defenses. Looks like we are going to get the 3-star here. At 2 seconds remaining. We get 27 trophies and some pretty good loot. The seasonal pass just ended, so that's how I have all this. We're going to go ahead and jump up another thing. Okay, there we go. We're going to go ahead and put up another spell stuff. Get those done. We're going to request for clan castle troops. And yeah, I'm going to get on my town hall 11 real quick. So we're just going to sit here for a second while I get on there and I'm able to donate stuff. Okay. There we go. I donated a dragon to myself. Alright, well, we're going to get in here and I'll see you whenever we find another. Alright guys, so we found this base that we're going to attack here. We're going to do what we did like on the last attack. We're going to start the funnel out towards the top. They're going to pretty much start the funnel up here. If we can get inside and get this main compartment out right here, we would be doing great. But we're going to let the dragons do their work. Going to drop one more over there. So we can get the perfect inside route. So we can get these wizard towers out and all these air defenses. Once this dragon over here gets these two destroyed, we're going to go ahead and send in all the dragons and the clan castle defense dragon, the clan castle troop. We're going to go ahead and drop a rage so dragons can get in here. There goes the dragons. Take out the air sweeper. Dragons are going to keep going inside of the base here. We're going to go ahead and drop down the last rage. Poison on the BK. There's only one more air defense, or sweeper in here, air defense we gotta take out. Will this dragon do it? No, he won't do it. We have several dragons left. This may not be a 3-star because they're letting this guy over here live. Depending on what this dragon's health is over here as well. I don't think, guys, sadly, it's going to be a 3-star. But it doesn't really matter. Well, it could possibly still be. I don't think so, though. I really don't. Because this dragon right here has to get through too much still. Maybe if we had brought a balloon in our clan castle as well, we would have tripled. Yeah, that dragon may be at full health, but it's needing to get through the Teslas and everything. This is going to be a 1-star. But it's a pretty good thing of what you need to do for this type of army strategy. Okay, so now what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to switch over to the Town Hall 9, and I'll be back. Alright, we are back on the Town Hall 9, guys. We were just doing some Town Hall 8 attacks. You'll be able to see that whenever I'm done with the video. But now what we are going to do is we're going to we're on the Town Hall 9. Just like I was doing on my Town Hall 8, I'm going to be showing you how to do some dragon strategies on Town Hall 9. I'll be back whenever we find a base. Back, guys. And so we're going to attack this Town Hall 9. Anyway, what we're going to do, like we did on the Town Hall 8, we're going to go ahead and start up a little funnel towards the top using the Barbarian King and Archer Queen. Barbarian King over there just chipping away on the stuff. We're just going to have the Archer Queen do the same thing. We're going to put down a dragon and a dragon on both sides so they can start up the funnel here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drop all dragons in the center, like so. I'm going to go ahead and spread out all the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go ahead and haste right here so we can get past this wizard tower, because like we said, because it's really, really, really bad for balloons to be on top of wizard towers, because the wizard tower splash damage is too bad for the balloons that it can kill a lot of them really fast. I'm going to distract the queen with this balloon. Our balloons get hit with another air mine. They're being hit hard, but it's alright because the dragons are over here cleaning stuff up. Doing really well. There is an air defense and a wizard tower and stuff over here targeting these dragons, but I have level 4 dragons, so that level 1 air defense shouldn't do much. We got 2 dragons going over there. One of them's sadly about to die. But you know, it's alright. Yeah, they're gonna go over here, finish up the base. There's a balloon over there, just about to get rid of the archer tower. One shots that. We're getting a 3-star, guys. We're 24 trophies. Let's go. And we get our 800,000 loot bonus. So we're going to take stuff out of our treasury. We're going to go over here, put it into the walls. So I'm trying to grind away walls on this account, guys. If you like what you're seeing right now for Town Hall 9 and stuff, drop a comment down below. Because I can, if you'd like me to, I can do a dragon strategy for Town Hall 11. Because this is a how-to channel. I want to teach you guys how to do different army strategies and stuff for different town halls. 15 gems. I'm going to go back over to the normal village. I don't know how I went there for. Yeah, I did get the gem mine going in the builder village. We're going to wait just a few more seconds, so we can go ahead and gem up these spells and get into another battle. Let's just wait. It should be done the next few seconds. There we go. We're gonna hop back into a next battle. I'm not going to cut the video again. We're just gonna sit through the clouds together. I know I don't have any clan castle troops. It's because nobody else is on right now, so I'm going to go for a pretty easy base. Not too hard, probably like a sort of rush Town Hall 8, maybe 9. Let's see what we run into. It's hard to find bases on Clash of Clans sometimes, guys, but you know we were going to get through it. You know, I want to be a troll. We're just going to go ahead and go into this base. 3 lightning spells. 1, 2 there. 3. Or not lightning spells, they're now called zap spells. But you know what I mean. We're going to use the Archer Queen to go ahead and start up a funnel. This base I don't even think really matters if we start a funnel up or not. This base is a Town Hall 7 and we're at Town Hall 9, so it should be pretty easy to take on. But anyway, we got the queen over here taking out some stuff. We're going to use a dragon on this side to help her out. She's going to start taking out stuff as well, the dragon. He's going to probably take out this the gold mine. While being shot at by the air defense, we got an enemy clan castle dragon. This is going to be a little harder, but you know it's alright. We'll probably just swarm dragons around it. Do this attack a little differently. No big deal. We're probably going to attack over from this side where the dragon is. We're going to go ahead and get balloons inside the base, though. That clan castle dragon is going to go down really fast. We got balloons here. They're just going to go in and cause mayhem on the base. We're going to go ahead and drop the haste spell. That was a bad haste spell placement, but it doesn't matter. We got balloons and dragons everywhere. That dragon and stuff takes down that little section. A black mine comes up, takes down one of the balloons, but it's no big deal. There's so many balloons that is just going to run this base, overwhelm the base. Air defense is sort of hurting the balloons, but the balloons got it. Well, the balloons and dragons got it. Dragon on the town hall. Dragons take out the last air defense. They're going to go for the archer tower. And yeah, that's the last air targeting thing in the base. It's another 3-star, 17 trophies, and the loot's not bad and stuff. But yeah, this is dragons can be really useful at Town Hall 9, 8, and 7. They're pretty good at 10 and 11, but I have a strategy that's going to come out soon. I'm going to teach you guys how to do for Town Hall 10. If you made it this far, type down in the comments section. Dragons are OP dragons are OP, and I will like your video. I'll like as many comments as I can. But anyway, guys, if you made it to the end of this video, I just want you to know you're a legend. And yeah, just make sure if you like the video, like. If you don't like it, that's alright. Dislike and tell me what I can do better next time so I can make you guys happier. And if you want to see more videos like this, maybe on the Town Hall 11, 10, stuff like that, type down in the comments. If we get 10 likes or something, if we get some likes, I can do it on the Town Hall 11. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, turn on push notifications so you never miss a video. This has been your host, Corrupted Pigeon. Stay clashing.